Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can instantly create highlighted discoloration captions in CapCut Mobile. So the first thing that you need to do is add your video and then click on and then go to text, go to text and use the auto captions. Select the sound and also the language. After that, just click on generate. Wait for the captions to show up. Okay, so after this, just click on the captions and then go to style, find animation, click on the captions tab, and just scroll down until you find the line by line. Okay, I'm going to just find, wait a second. Okay, this one, line by line discolorations. Click on the check icon. Let's see the result. Okay, so you can just change the style if you want. I'm going to change for, okay, now this will be the result. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the tag icon. Bye.